Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Letterland again with Mrs. Knippenberg. Today's objective is I can build short A word families. Last time we met, we talked about how we can segment, say the sounds, and blend a word together. And today we're going to make a lot of words together that all belong in a special word family. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with a little warm-up, and I brought a special poem, and you can recognize one of the Letterland characters above. It's Annie Apple, and Annie Apple's sound, remember, says ah. So today, we're going to build some words that have the ah sound in them. I'm going to read her poem, and it goes like this. Hello, I'm Annie Apple. I am happy saying ah in cap. I am happy saying ah in tap. I am happy saying ah in map. And then I like to take a nap. Now, boys and girls, I want you to pay attention to these words that are underlined in her poem. They all have something in common that makes them special. Can you see what it is? I'm going to circle what I notice that's the same about all of them. Do you see what I'm circling? They all have an app in them, and that makes them a word family. And we call these words the app word family. So today I'm going to show you how you can build some app words, and then you'll get a chance to try it on your own, or maybe think of other words you know. So I brought a little house up here. We're going to pretend this is Annie Apple's house. And in her house, she has the app family that lives there. And you can see I kind of brought the app. That's the part of the word that is the same. And so I'm going to make some app family words by changing just the first sound. And I can do that by going down here and clicking on one of my letters. I see a k. So I have a k and an app. If I put the k in front of app, it makes the word k, app. Cap. Cap rhymes with app. It's a word family. I'm going to try another one. Let's go down to this one. I see a g, like golden girl. I'm going to put the g in front of the app, and I'm going to make the word gap. G, app, gap. I'm going to try another one, and this time I'm going to try to do what I taught you last time with the segmenting and the blending. I have a ul, a, p. I can put the first sounds together. Lap, lap. Do you remember how we segment and blend? I made another word that rhymes with app, lap. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to go over here with this one. Think about what sound that is. I see a t, like talking Tess. I'm going to put that in front of the app. I'm only changing the first sound to make a new word in the word family. And I have tap, tap. Reading it fast, tap. Tap rhymes with app. So far I've made cap, gap, lap, tap. Do you hear how they rhyme? I'm going to try one of these. This is called one of our blends when we have two letters together. This is an L blend. And together the F and L say full. So I'm going to put that in front of app and see what we say. Full app. Flap. Flap. Like a bird who flaps his wings. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to go way down to here. Oh, I see a digraph that we've been learning about. I see Clever Cat and Harry Hatman. And when they're together, they say ch, ch. So I'm going to put that in front of the app, and I have ch, app, ch, app, chap, chap, like I might have a chap lip in the winter time. So boys and girls, that is how we build word families. Remember, we only change the first sound in a family, and we can make words that rhyme. So now I can make up my own app words, and we've been learning about real and nonsense words. So I'm going to be thinking about some of those words that I just built on the last screen. And I remember I built the word cap. I'm going to sound that out. App. I know it has a clever cat and it has an app. It has to have the app to be in the app family. Whoops, sorry, I'm not very good with this pen on my computer. I'm going to make another word. Let's see. I'm going to think about the words that I was building. Lap, like I like to sit on my mom's lap. I know it starts with a ul, so I'm going to write a ul, and I'm going to write a and a p. So I see cap, lap. They both have the A and the P, which makes them app families. But now I'm going to think even more silly. A nonsense word is a silly word that doesn't make sense. I'm going to think of a word that rhymes with app, but doesn't sound like a real word, a nonsense word. I have one. Fap. Fap. I'm going to put a f. Ooh, that's an F. And I'm going to write an A and a P. Okay, so now I made some words that are real words that rhyme with the app family, and I made a nonsense word. So now you get a turn to try this at home. And today it's your turn. In your notebook or on a piece of paper, I want you to write a list of app words, just like I did. You can make two lists, one with real words and one with nonsense words or silly words. You could even illustrate a picture of some of your words to build. For those of you that might want a challenge, see if you can make a list of words from another short A family like at or an. And be sure you try your best and sound out those words and blend them together. So have fun and go be word builders. See you later.